Think for a moment about how much your business depends on industrial automation equipment. It's the crucial link between people and machines, between production schedules and profitability. Industrial automation equipment is vital to your company's operations. That's why you chose a quality system from Rockwell Automation.
Universal looks for controls of highest capability, quality, and reliability. But then they also look to us for support services. And it's a very big concern to them that when they need help on something and they call for technical support on the phone, that the people on the other end of the line aren't going to be thrown off by the fact that we're using these to fire off lasers or pyrotechnics within feet of guests at their theme park.
But what happens when you need technical support? When you have a question or a problem? When the unexpected pops up? When production goes down?
Well, one thing I've learned over time, after being here for about 8 years, is that the product that you buy is important, but equally as important is the service you get with it.
It's very important to our customers that they can get back to the resource. We're there to support them when they have a problem.
Well, if you've got one of these, and one of these, you're all set.
The reason that I'm in this office and the other 160 of us that are here is to provide support to our customers. It's one thing to purchase the equipment and get it up and running, but when you're having a problem and you've got nowhere else to turn, you turn to us.
The Rockwell Automation Product Support and Services Technical Support Center is at your service, and we do mean service. This is no leave a message and we'll get back to you kind of operation. This is an award-winning, world-class team of highly skilled, meticulously trained engineers and support professionals with on-the-spot access to an amazing range of resources and data. This is live, real-time technical assistance on every conceivable control issue. This is technical support backed by commitment, by training, by customer needs-driven systems and procedures. When we designed our support center, we started with a clean sheet of paper and a firm belief that every caller needs to be our top priority. More than 160 engineers, software specialists, and support staff make up our team here at the Support Center. These folks know industrial automation, and they appreciate how much you're counting on your hardware and software. Each engineer's workstation is outfitted with an extensive library of product information, plus an array of automation hardware and software, virtually any component configuration that a customer might need to talk about.
The majority of the calls that I receive may not really require a customer problem setup or duplication of the problem. But when we get into a problem where we really need to see what's going on and try to figure out what the customer is experiencing, we require the hardware to duplicate what the customer setup is like.
Basically, I consider each engineer's office a different wing of a library. Each engineer has their own little specialty as well as a general knowledge of stuff. So yeah, we do take it personally. If there's a problem or a question we can't get resolved, we may knock on 3 or 4 doors to try and find an answer, and it may take a pool of 3 or 4 people to get to the answer, get to the solution, get back with the customer.
Our strong emphasis on technical training is one of the reasons our support center is such a success. From the latest control logics introduced to the market last week, to the legacy Allen Bradley PLC hardware that might date back 20, even 30 years, we have the documentation and the expertise to support your automation investment over its entire life cycle. Our state-of-the-art call management system lets us hit the ground running on every call, giving our team quick access to pertinent customer and product information.
There are times where customer goes, "Oh, do you want me my case number?" And I just rattle off the case, the name, and he goes, "How do you do that? How do you do that?"
And our sophisticated monitoring system lets everyone here know when customers are waiting for assistance. If you're on hold, we know about it. And we're working hard to make sure you're not on hold for long.
The status board is more like an update for if you're not scheduled to be on the phone at the time. You can see the status of how many calls are there, how long a call's in the queue, been waiting, and if you need to jump in, log in, and take the next.
We've set very specific world-class response targets for ourselves, and we've deliberately set them high.
We're expected as a group, and it's not an individual goal, but it's a group goal, and we're very group-oriented here, is that 80% of our calls that come into this organization will be answered within the first 3 minutes that the call hits our system. And of all the calls that come in, we expect that we will be 65% or higher for solving those calls on the very first customer contact to our organization.
As a result, great customer service isn't just a corporate goal here at our support center, it's a personal goal for everyone involved.
And I like solving problems and I like helping people. So my goal is to help as many people as I can.
If customers wait for a long time and we don't hit our 80% level, that does directly affect our paycheck. So it's a driving force in trying to get to these customers in a timely manner and get their questions answered.
If a customer calls in with a question on the product that I support, and then they might have another question on another product. So instead of just transferring them to another group, I'll just call someone from that group that supports that product and see if I can answer the question for them.
Our commitment to top-notch technical support also extends to online help. Our website is a tremendous resource for our customers, offering a wide range of information, operational tips, and application notes 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. A state-of-the-art facility, great training, people who care, and who have strong incentives to provide exceptional service. Sophisticated call routing and information management systems, comprehensive online help, and an unmatched bank of expertise, product knowledge, and resources. That's Rockwell Automation's Product Support and Services Technical Support Center.
Yeah, definitely your goal is to solve the customer's problem and to make the problem go away so they're a satisfied customer.
Ours was the first technical support center in the automation industry to receive dual SCP certification from the Software Support Professionals Association. SCP certification involves an exhaustive evaluation of our operations, covering everything from our corporate commitment, to our training, to our customer relations management systems. We're proud of our SCP certification, and even prouder of our SSPA Star Award for Service Excellence. On the horizon for our support center is an expansion of our international capabilities, starting with our 4 European call centers, Latin America, and Australia. We're adding new levels of training, upgrading technology, enhancing resources, and improving communication systems.
It's absolutely critical to our customers that they know long-term we're here to support them.
You're counting on your automation equipment. Count on us to give you the technical support you need to keep it working hard for you.
Being a realist, I know someday something's going to break or go wrong. And at that time, I'm sure you're going to be there for us.
Our customers look to partner with an automation supplier that brings, well, a whole array of support services to them to back them up when they need them. Whether that be our distributor folks, whether that be coming from our district office, our field-based technicians and engineers, whether it be the manufacturing division, or our world-class telephone technical support.
The Rockwell Automation Product Support and Services Technical Support Center. When you're ready for support, we're ready to exceed your expectations.